Dear manufacturers, today, we've got some breaking news in the world of aluminium. The government has just rolled out the Aluminium and Aluminium Alloys Quality Control Order 2023. It's not just important, BIS certification has been made mandatory. Stay tuned as we break it down and show you how we can make compliance easy. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. I'm Baston Benny, and you're watching MindSync's BIS series. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, and advisory services. Welcome, everyone, to today's presentation on mandatory Indian standards for aluminium, aluminium alloy, ingots, bearings, and castings. In this video, we'll explore the key standards that ensure the quality and reliability of these essential materials. Let's begin by discussing aluminium and aluminium alloy ingots and castings. This standard covers the requirements of cast aluminium and its alloys in the form of ingots and castings, designed for general engineering purposes. It's crucial that these castings and ingots are not only of high quality but also free from any harmful defects. Now, let's take a look at the requirements for marking these materials. Marking is a vital aspect of ensuring traceability and compliance. Ingots and castings should be suitably marked with lot or heat treatment batch number, alloy and temper designations, and indication of the source of manufacture. Ensuring proper marking helps maintain quality standards and facilitates tracking throughout the production process. As we move forward, it's important to note that the mandatory Indian standards cover a wide range of alloys. Here, we've mentioned just a few examples on this slide, but please keep in mind that there are many more alloys covered by these standards. Moving on to the next standard, we have the high purity primary aluminium ingots. This standard encompasses the requirements for very high purity primary aluminium ingots, intended for remelting in special applications. It's crucial to note that, according to these standards, no scrap material is permitted in the production, except for any scrap that has accumulated during the manufacturing process and has not been remelted by anyone other than the manufacturer. Now let's look into the marking requirements. All ingots must be identified with such marking that ensures full material identification. This marking is essential to guarantee the quality and authenticity of the ingots. Furthermore, the ingots may also bear the standard mark, signifying their adherence to the prescribed standards. Our next focus is on aluminium alloy ingots for bearings. This standard specifies the requirements for aluminium alloy ingots designed specifically for bearings. It's crucial that these ingots are reasonably free from slag or cross-contamination. Additionally, the aluminium used for manufacturing these alloy ingots must conform to the concerned Indian standard. Now let's look into the marking requirements. All ingots must bear marking that ensures full material identification. Alternatively, ingots can be wired in bundles, with the necessary marks stamped on a metal tag securely attached to each bundle. Furthermore, the supplier is required to furnish a certificate confirming that the supplied material complies with the requirements outlined in this specification. Let's now turn our attention to primary aluminium ingots for remelting. This standard encompasses the requirements for primary aluminium ingots specifically intended for remelting purposes. These ingots are available in various purity levels, including 99.7%, 99.6%, 99.5%, and 99%. Importantly, the standard stipulates that no scrap materials shall be used in the production of these ingots, except for scrap that accumulates during the manufacturing process and has not been remelted by anyone other than the manufacturer. Now let's look into the marking requirements. Each ingot must bear marking that ensures complete material identification. Additionally, with each consignment, the supplier is required to provide a certificate detailing the chemical composition of all the casts. These measures help maintain the quality and authenticity of the material. Furthermore, the ingots may also bear the standard mark, signifying their compliance with the prescribed standards. Finally, we have reached our last destination, which is aluminum ingots, billets, and wire bars. This standard encompasses the requirements for 4A grades of aluminum ingots, billets, and wire bars. To ensure quality, the general requirements relating to the supply of material must conform to the concerned standard. It is essential that the material is visibly free from slag or dross. Let's now look into marking. Each product must be marked to indicate the source of manufacture. Additionally, the marking should include the grade designation, cast or lot or heat treatment batch number, and size details. It's also important to include information regarding the quantity and date of manufacture. If your business requires certification and licensing under any BIS scheme, MindSync is here to assist. Let us take the lead in handling your certification needs, ensuring a smooth journey through compliance. Stay tuned for our next insight on the BIS series. Thank you.